Reasons why I love Rubbermaid Reveal Spray Mop. The microfiber pad traps and removes 99% of dust and allergens. It's washable too, up to 100 times. So is the non-scratch scrubbing pad. The reusable bottle lets you mix your own cleaning solution. That's the Rubbermaid Reveal Microfiber Spray Mop.
What's going on, guys? Wanted to do a quick review of the Rachael Ray set of pots and pans we got through Amazon. Let you take a nice close look at them and share with you a couple cool features we discovered. And first and foremost, the quality of these are great. They look cool. They got a really nice color to them. The grips, these are nice and soft. The utensils got a nice solid heavy feel to them. And they had this really cool stamping thing on the bottom, if you can see that. Rachael Ray signature on all of the bottom of the pans. And then last, we just love the looks of them with the green. We have sort of a green theme in our house. Different areas of the house have green accents, and so this went really well with that. And just really happy with this set, so I thought I'd do a quick review for anyone that might want to know what people think of them in terms of owning them. So anyways, thanks for watching.
Introducing the Got to Glow Fairy Pet Finder. The first time you turn on your Fairy Pet Finder, it will prompt you to open the lid for Fairy Finding Mode. When lights and sounds indicate a fairy has flown in, close the lid and see who you found. Aw, it's an ice cream puppy! Wanna catch more fairy pets? Double press the center button or double press the top button above the screen to launch your Fairy Finding Mode. Interact with your fairy pets. Enter the menu by holding down the center button for 2 seconds. Toggle through the menu options using the left and right buttons. You can feed your fairy, view your collection, enter trading mode to grow your collection and share fairies with friends, or play a game with your fairy. There are over 80 fairy pets to collect. Find puppies, unicorns, and even fluffy bunnies with your Got to Glow Fairy Pet Finder. You can also share fairy pets with friends. You and your friend must hold the center button down for 2 seconds on your Fairy Pet Finders to launch the menu. Then toggle through the menu using the left and right buttons and select Trading Mode with the center button. Now you're ready to trade. Touch to open the lid of your friend's Fairy Pet Finder to share fairy pets. Transform your fairy pets into baby fairies, or babies into pets. Look, the unicorn fairy became a unicorn baby. All fairy finders work with each other. There's over 200 fairies to find. How many can you collect? Find fairies indoors, outdoors, and online. There's magic everywhere. Got to Glow Fairy Pet
Along Crew, the backpack to sing.
My name's Big Band, he's my band. We're the sing-along crew.
With my backpack hot on his tracks.
Glasses back, I am Lil
Yeah!
A fairy tale, yes. I'm a princess.
My royal team, I'm a unicorn.
This is my song, let's sing along.
Sure, my friend.
I am Big
Sound effects, songs, and even record your performances.
We're here just for you. We're the sing-along crew.